Hello Varhandziwa, welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, you are welcome as well. Please do click on the subscribe button. Also, please do click on the notification bell so that every time I upload you get notified. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below and say whatever you want to say. But anyways, you guys, let's get into today's video. I've been missing for almost a week now, and I know I owe you a lot of videos, but I thought I should show you where my skincare products are and show you how everything is looking. For sure you're wondering, since I review a lot of these products, I'm sure you think I have a lot of skincare products, like it's like a shop in here. I thought it would be fun to actually show you guys how my skincare space look like, and also explain to you guys what happens to some of the products that I actually review. And yeah, so if you are interested to know all that, so just keep on watching. I don't know, I came back with energy, or like energy is here as always. But anyways, let's get into this space. So behind me is actually like my skincare products, and I'm sure you guys can already see it kind of looks like a tuck shop, but as soon as I explain to you guys what's going on, you probably understand what's going on. So I actually buy most of these products, and some are actually gifted, so that's why sometimes I have like quite a lot of products. But in this area, I actually keep the products that I am usually on reviewing, or products that are on review, and the skincare products that I actually use. So let's get into my space. My space, my space, my space. Woo! I'm so excited today. Where do we start? I think we should start this side. This side we have the skin functional products, which this is my to-go skincare. If you've been following me, you know that I really love these skin functional products. Okay, so I have with me like some old products that I would use, and I have the kit with me. It's almost out, you guys. This is like more like my everyday skincare routine. The starter kit is something that I normally go in with. This is the breakout kit, and I have like the bigger bottles as well. So this is mostly like what I normally go for when I have my normal skincare routine. I think I once explained what exactly I have. I usually have with me my hydrating juice, my retinols. Dark management, they have a new one now that I haven't bought, so I don't know like how the new ones are looking. So behind the skin functional product, I actually have with me these two products right here. So some other products, you guys, after reviewing them, and I happen not to hate them, or maybe I have like more products to use on my face, I actually tend to use it on my body. Okay, so this is one of the other products, the Moisturizer Dark Spot Corrector Serum and the Corium Brightening Tone Serum. That is because my body has scars, so I'm trying to get rid of my body scars as well. So I am using these products to actually do that for my body as well, while I use other products for my face. Okay, so I do that. Sometimes I do just use these products on my body because we're not about to waste anything. Okay, I just like to put them behind my skin functional products. Okay, now we are moving into the most interesting part, which is the middle section of my my space right here. Okay, so this is what we are having right here. So I have my supple skin products right here. These are my peels. I am on a chemical peel journey, so I am still left with some few sessions to actually share the video with you guys, which I will share with you as soon as I am done. And yeah, it's still undergoing, so you guys, the video, it is definitely coming. Okay, and again, the next thing that I actually have with me, these are my supplements. I actually am trying to also take care of my gut and make sure that I am clean from the inside, so that my face can repay me for that. So these are the supplements that I'm taking. They are also under review, so I want to see like how that is going to work. I'm trying to manage what I eat and also try to supplement with some of the supplements that owe you so many videos, like, oh my god. So next to the peels, I have with me my benzac AC. I always want to have this, and I use this to spot treat. So I really like this to just put on my spots, because I do get like random spots here and there. That's why I don't apply this all over my face, because it's super drying. Like, I do not like any drying areas. Okay, I have with me the Portia M pomegranate toner right here, and this one, you guys, I'm just trying to finish it. I don't see any difference with it. Like, my skin is not even breaking from it. Like, I don't see, I don't know, like, it's just okay for me. So because it is doing no harm to my face or my skin, I'm just trying to finish it, you guys. This goes a long way. If this works for you, I promise you guys, it's gonna be, you're gonna have it forever. So yeah, I'm trying to finish that. So I like to put it right here with my products as well. Moving on to the next product next to it, it is the let's go in with the moisturizer. I have done a review of this moisturizer on my channel. I think I'll just put, I have a playlist for my reviews, so if you want to check it out, you can check it out. I really love this one. It's a moisturizing cream by Cetaphil for the face and body, and this is so wonderful, more especially if you've got dry skin. So this is a super moisturizing, and I like to put it here. So as you guys can see, this middle part is more like something that I really like need to use. It's just easy for me to pick and, you know, apply and move. Okay, and another product that you are probably eyeing right now, it is the Dermopal blemish cream. Like, this is the cream that everyone is talking about, and unfortunately, you guys, I just started using this I think a week and a half ago, so it is under review as well. I will definitely, you guys, bring this video, but at the moment I'm still trying it out to actually bring you guys the perfect review. So you guys might wonder, like, what happens when I'm reviewing products and stuff, because I'm putting my face in danger in a way. What I do is, after reviewing products, I actually do like a detox. So I like to use masks, which I don't have with me here actually. So the only mask that I actually have here is the Yours Beauty brightening mask. They actually come in threes when you buy them, and I've used the other two. I think I'm left with this one. I actually do go in with the clay mask. That one is super dry, so I like to keep my skincare simple during those days, like the day, like a week after my review, more especially if I didn't really like the product. So I focus more on hydrating my skin to make sure that, you know, I'm calm and stuff, but I stop with the harsh ingredients and focus on hydration and repairing my skin. Or should I think like the product that I reviewed was not good enough for my skin, so I just like to keep it simple. Reviewing products is not really it's a risk in a way, so I am thankful that I actually have like a routine to actually like prepare myself and also detox. All right, so right here, you guys, so right here we have the cleanser. This one, you guys, I'm not sure if you remember that I actually bought stuff from the Cult Beauty. So this section is in review as well, and it's been so long, you guys. So I've got my salicylic acid cleanser, so I like to put it in here so that I can always like grab it. So another cleanser that I have with me, it is this Eucerin blemish prone skin oil control cleansing gel, and another section, it is the ordinary section. I have my glycolic acid. I'm not gonna talk much about like how I feel about this product, because you're not gonna watch the review, but I'm just showing you guys how it looks like. So like, I like to section my products according to the brands. So as you guys can see, everything from the ordinary, and it's a lot of products, it's in one it's in one section. I've got my niacinamide, I've got my hyaluronic acid, my lactic acid, alpha-arbutin, and we've got the peeling solution, the red one. And I can't use this one unfortunately right now because I'm on the supple skin peeling chemical peel, and yeah, so this one will be currently on hold for that. And I've got my azelaic acid suspension 10%, and yeah, that is actually that. I have had this for quite some time, so a video is definitely coming on that. Sure, you guys, I actually forgot to show you sunscreen. Like, this is the most important step. Like, I can ditch everything but remain with sunscreen. So this one is the Nivea sunscreen. I love to use this one, although it has denatured alcohol. You need to research more on that, you know, just in case you are wondering. And I also like to put this lip therapy, and this is by DCT. I really love it for my lips, because my god, I have cracked lips forever. And you guys, there's this box right here. Like, I just like keeping it because it really does look like a spaza shop. Someone actually was laughing and said, spaza shop. Where did you say spaza shop? Yes. So this is the box right here, and yeah, if you're wondering what the hell happens to products that you do not really like, or the products that you are not gonna use, right? So what happens is, if I like something and I feel like it's good to actually recommend to someone, and at that moment I can't actually give some to relatives, because most of them are usually open because I'll be reviewing them, I don't feel comfortable to actually give away products that I've already used. So if it's a close relative, it's actually better, because you know, we are related and all that. And then the products that I do not like, honestly, I just put them in a box. I actually did a video on the products that I actually did not use. That was like products that I bought like previous years. I'll do another video, I think around December, showing you products that I collected and don't use and will never use probably. And yeah, so yeah, that is actually it, you guys. I think that's not a lot, right? I don't know, maybe I'm no longer normal or what, but I just feel like this is not a lot now that I actually explained. I'm always saying that a video is coming, but you guys, I've been just away and I'll try my best to actually film. But anyways, this is all from whatever we have right here, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Also, if you are not subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button. Please click on the like button as well. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. And I upload weekly, and I would love to actually upload twice per week. I try it sometime, but yeah, I am here every week, and if I'm not here, I will put on the community tab to say, hey guys, I'm not gonna be uploading anything. And yeah, that is it from me, and thank you so much, you guys. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.